Hello everybody. Oh man, it's been a hot minute, guys. Anyways, so today we're supposed to do best mochas, but I didn't want to go to the store because I don't want to be around people. So I just found all the chocolate I have in my house. I do like chocolate personally, and I mean, I think 4 different types is enough, but off-brand Nutella and a Nutella, you know, we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna make 4 little mini guys, and I'm gonna blindfold someone or myself. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna make 2 shots of vodka. Just kidding. 2 shots of coffee, and we're gonna go. So I'm gonna start off with the 2 shots and kind of just divide them into 4. And I'll try to measure this time, guys, okay? Because I usually don't measure. Yay! We got a caramel shot, guys. Okay, so just gonna pour a little bit of each. Sorry, I'm gonna make a lot of mess, probably. Here I go, making all the mess. Mess.
Yeah.
Making all of the mess.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision...
I guess I should have measured, but whatever. Yay! All the coffee, all the beautiful coffee on there. Doo-doo. That, and that. So, okay. So I'm gonna start off with off-brand Nutella. Chocolate. It's Nutella. Now I'm gonna pour like a little bit of milk on all of them, and then, you know, we'll figure out the blindfolding situation. So they're kind of like little iced lattes, right? Okay, I have my eyes closed. Somebody help. Okay. I hope I don't remember. I actually don't. Number 1. That one's not that good. It's not very chocolatey. It's like
Artificial chocolate.
nope, okay. Number 2. Ooh, this is a little bit more subtle. It's not like super chocolatey, like in your face, I guess, but it's more like a subtle chocolate. Yeah, I like this one a little bit better. This one? Thanks. This is like so sweet. So sweet. No. Yeah, this is just like really sugary. This is the last one, right? This just straight up tastes like hazelnut. Like, it's not even chocolate. Yeah. Okay. Go open my eyes now because I don't remember. Okay. Okay, so now that we figured out what is what, because we got really confused, clearly Nutella was the winner, which is really weird to me. Honestly, the Nutella, I didn't really taste much hazelnut, but this like off-brand one is more hazelnutty, and it's just like, it wasn't chocolate. Ghirardelli is always gonna be really sweet, and then Hershey's was just really artificial. This is totally up to me. I actually think it's a little weird that I chose Nutella, because usually I do say Ghirardelli, like personally, but you know, maybe this has changed my mind. But yeah, this is best mocha, I guess, 1.0. Like, we will try this again. It's just, or we'll try this again. I'm gonna definitely go to the store next time, but maybe when there's not 500 people at the store. But this is all I got for y'all, and I hope hope y'all enjoyed it. Until next time. Hello everybody. So today I'm going to talk about my beautiful sponsor, Bottomless. So Bottomless is a Wi-Fi scale. And essentially what it does is it gives you coffee, and it tracks your coffee through the internet, the beautiful internet. So you go online, you order a bag of coffee, and it comes with a free scale. You don't have to pay for the scale. And then it gives you coffee. And then what happens when it runs out? Well, it gives you more coffee automatically. And there's so many different rotations, like if you just want decaf, if you just want a specific type of origin, all things like that. And there's just a vast variety of coffee. And you could also pause it as well. So if you don't want coffee anymore, it's totally cool. And that is Bottomless in an entire nutshell. And yeah, it's a subscription service. They're really great, and they have a really cool concept. So yeah, Bottomless. They're great.